a disease called glaucoma. It's usually a disease that is caused, that is found in elderly people, and it ultimately, if it's not treated appropriately, it can lead to blindness. Now, the the pathology in glaucoma is that there's an insidious increase in pressure within the globe of your eye. There is a normal pressure that is acceptable in the eye, and there is an excessive pressure that is not acceptable in the eye. Now, the eye, this is a crude drawing of the eye. This is the cornea. This is the globe, and here is the lens that's on the inside of the eye. So light comes in through this area here, through the cornea, through the lens, and then is focused on the retina. And the retina is a light-sensitive coating of the back of the eye here. This is where the optic nerve comes in and supplies fibers to this. Well, in glaucoma, the pressure goes sky high within this globe. And the treatment for glaucoma is to somehow get the pressure down within the globe. It just so happens that one of the many virtues of cannabis is that it has the capability of decreasing intraocular pressure. And I'll tell you an interesting story. Years ago, when I was active in basketball, I got stuck in my eye by an index finger, and I bled in my globe, and 5 years later I got unilateral glaucoma. Well, one of my friends is an ophthalmologist and has been taking care of this. And an hour before I went to visit him, I took a small amount of tincture of cannabis. I went in to see him an hour later. He took the pressures in my eye, and they were 7. Now, that is way, way down from the pathologic pressure. And he said, "Yes, my drops are working." Well, it wasn't his drops at all. It was the cannabis. So cannabis is a very effective way, used properly, to decrease the pressure within the eye and to preserve this wonderful retina back here that transcribes all the visual sights into the brain. So come to see us if you need to have some help with the management of your glaucoma.